Kevin, we're starting to by the Eck from Williamsburg. Jeder kennt den Platz from the Oak Room, but I'm going to show you something today. It's going to blow your minds. A brand new, gorgeous venue on the right side of the building. Laat maar aanchecken, Kevin. This is going to blow you away. A gorgeous venue on this rooftop of this building. The Cabin, Kevin. Laat maar aanchecken. Beautiful place. Shine. Wow, give a kick, Kevin. The elevator. Laat maar aanchecken. Oh, this is the building do, the miniature. Laat maar aan gaan de elevator. Gever, laat maar aan checken. Gever, doe ze maar. The roof, let's go. Wow. Gever, kom maar aan doen. Wow, wow. Laat maar zien de rooftop doen. Kick of the view do. Kick of the view. But where's the cabin? Otti, do the cabin. Shmully. Shmully, wow. Kan je wel 10 seconden, Michael, hè?
Geherig.
Shmully, geherig, heb je clip erover. This is gorgeous. Wow. You told
we finally got you, and then finally did what Kim do.
Finally we made it here. You told me Chaim Kim and go to a cabin of a rooftop. I couldn't put it together. What's meant as a cabin of a rooftop? But here it is. This place is gorgeous, Shmully.
It's original Scandinavian cabin for Norway. Total wood in New York City surroundings. Ga public area with us the view.
Wow, kick of the view. Kick of the view. Beautiful. Gorgeous. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Shmully, give me a little detail. What got you into this? You must overcome with them.
Ich property development mostly.
Okay.
That's what I'm busy with these days. So I was on vacation once in Iceland and I saw that cabin in the mountain. And I said, the cabin, we gotta bring something like that in the city. The original plan for the cabin is gewesen to machen for corporate events mostly. But we're branching out now to everything. And we do everything in-house, so the can see simchas, smaller shaverbruches, family gatherings. Hatten the vrienden so forgot 2 events do. Hatten we got a corporate breakfast, lunch in the morning. En jetzt haben wir unser 50-year golden anniversary.
Oh, jetzt haben wir ein 50-year golden anniversary?
Ja, das ist das jetzt inwendig.
Wie viele Menschen können daran doen in der Cabin?
Up to 50 people. Although vorige Woche haben wir got a mitzvah that he pushed the limits to 80, but I wouldn't recommend more than 50 people.
50
so
people
basically, als 25, kannst du teilen halb en halb.
So room that had a shaverbruch is...
A kleine shaverbruch you could definitely do, yes.
For the event.
Yes.
I told her, as I came in, I took the Oak Room is downstairs.
That is correct.
So that, is it sharp to have like a Schwitz experience and then come up here for the...
Totally.
Yeah?
Totally.
That's amazing.
Backen sich hinten auf dem Fressen.
You sit 3 hours in the Schwitz, then you come up over here for a beautiful meal.
Yes.
Let me
show you.
It's gorgeous. Wow.
Kun je nog eens een beetje draußen, wo de huis
Ja, laat me zien draußen.
A beautiful hammock.
Hammock.
Kijk maar op deze uit.
I love the view. All the views, dude. Shine the view.
Du hast a burner, a grill, a outdoor fridge, a sink.
So in the Zimmer, I will shine a barbecue here, rooftop grill.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Du hast a beautiful view outdoor with a fire pit.
Ah, just having the fire, the guitar. Beautiful. Ja, we gaan ook nog een stok doen. Go zien we naar doen. Wow. Wow, dit is hoog.
So daar naast downtown Brooklyn. Jenne section. Move over to your right is downtown Manhattan.
Freedom Tower.
Freedom Tower. They building a bunch of lights. This is Domino, the nieuwe Domino apartments. Gemacht. En daar hast du the Empire State Building, the Edge, all of the Midtown situation is right
up heights over here. Nice. This is a smoking area, do hookah. Beautiful, beautiful Shmully. Jetzt nehmen wir gaan in the cabin, nog de schwitz, nog de smoking. Let's jump into the cabin.
Let's go to the food. So we work with every budget. And it's kind of basically making anything and everything. We do everything in-house. I did hire someone who managed the ganze Sache from A to Z. So the price includes everything. So this is basically what we do hand by nacht.
That's a beautiful setup though. Stunning.
Yes.
Wow, so this is our golden 50th anniversary. But it's a beautiful big space. Ik ga liep de holds doen. It's a real...
You see, alles is real wood.
Real wood.
See, solid wood, look on it. Solid wood. Through and through.
Wow, We do import this from, just to
This is okay from Norway.
in Norway.
Ja, ze komen pre-built, meaning broken down. En dan zullen ze gebouwd doen.
Beautiful. Wow. Let's get the taste. What should I tell you,
Thank
Shmuley?
you.
Let's get the taste.
Thank you.
Beautiful setup.
You just gotta put it to good use.
Good to use. So, Chevre, beautiful space. It's gorgeous. It's overlooking the whole Manhattan, the whole Brooklyn. It's
360 view. Kijk er zo, zo schwitz zijn bij nacht. But it like on this closer.
Closer.
You know what? Let me go station the lights. Stop a second. Go station the lights.
Oh, 360.
The city, Queens.
Oh.
Du hast in der heilige Stadt Wilhelmsburg.
Beautiful. Kijk er aus, Chevre. 360 view from the ganze Stadt, all around you. This is just magnificent. You feel like you're on a rooftop. You feel like it's a little scary to tell you the truth.
That's more for nights. I don't have that, so I don't know the feeling. I love the view.
We kunnen maken maar een video van waar
I come zits.
Very,
It's actually going to
very
be over here. In summer projector. It's going to be a projector for the days.
for shows, for game shows, videos.
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful, Chevre. So Shmuley, let's wrap this up. This is beautiful. Let's go.
You're the best, Chaim.
Schkoig.
So we work with every budget. Special for you, Lachtina promotion for 5% off for the next 2 weeks.
Chaim
Anybody that
Perlowitz
mentions
promotion.
your name, Chaim Perlstein's, that is so with you, have a link in the app. And we do everything from A to Z. So it's a phone call away. And the place could be yours for the night.
Beautiful. This is a no-brainer. This is gorgeous, Chevre. I'm going to put the phone number on the screen, Chevre. Reach out to Shmuley. Again, from now to the Chodesh Nisan, if you mention the Chaim Perlowitz show, you get 5% off on your event. Tell Shmuley you saw him as tijdens een Chevre had ze maar een lichtige nacht.